Right now, South Africans across the board are very energized and either very angry or very excited about the issue of land. The University of the Western Cape has been a leader on the issue of land. Our rector, Professor Tyrone Pretorius, has actually very clearly said we are going to invest in this issue, and UWC wants to be a key leader in the debate about land. I think university students and young people generally in South Africa are very, very interested in the land issue. And what we saw in the past few years is that students started protesting and saying roads must fall, fees must fall, and then after a while they started to say, actually it's about the land issue. We want the land back. At the University of the Western Cape, what we're doing is we are doing research across very many provinces, and we're asking people what they think. So we're trying to engage with people about how they would like to hold land. Because I think it's a mistake to just say, change the constitution or don't change the constitution. The correct question is, who should get the land? Whose interests should be prioritized? And so we as a university, as an academic institution, have a responsibility to engage with people and to ask them their views. And so that's exactly what we're going to be doing in this public lecture.